Round 2. We are 5th day of March, 2026. I like that last one. That one was kind of cool. This is 29. Out the door today. Nice. Nice. Not bad. Don't mind. It's not that poop brown, but it's not bad. I like it. Oh yeah, this is nice. Again, you can get this for 30 and pull it and be comfortable in here, you and the wife. Not bad at all. I kind of like the layout. Here in your storage area. Right in here. Bike, golf clubs, fishing stuff. You don't need all this stuff. Whatever. So, not bad at all. I like it. Lots of room. You can watch TV somewhere. Pretty good sized bed for the cowboy. You know, I don't know. Make it simple. Jayco's okay. I guess they make some pretty good stuff, so I don't know. J-Flight, them. So, it's not bad. It's J-Flight. Yeah, by Jayco. So. Another one here. It's 20 grand. Let's see. This one looks like 20,000. See, I'd take that out in my storage or something. I don't know. It's kind of weird how they have that. Oh yeah. Okay. There's my storage area right in there. Yeah, I don't need that. I guess that's okay. I guess. Yeah, that's fine. But yep, gone. Perfect. Kind of like all this stuff all the way. I can handle the color kind of. But obviously, shit in the showers right there for you. Your black tank, as they call it. Not bad. Just different color, that bad boy. 20 grand. Like I said, buy this thing with tax, probably about 24 grand. Get yourself a truck, GMC, whatever. If you want to get basic, sometime F-250s are only like 50 grand, give or take. I don't know. And you're out the door at about 70 grand, and your money, I don't know. I just think you go over those big things. They're a waste of good suffering. But here, grill, making my Sammys. Oh, this one is how much? It's $36,000. 19 grand savings. Oh, that's nice. This is really nice. This thing's roomy. This is like a nice shower. You can come in here and I got easy to get it out of. So that's not bad. Oh, not bad. I kind of like this layout. It's nice. TV. Jayco. Why buy Jayco? Well, it better be good. I like it. I do like this one. This is very, very nice. I like it. Like a lot. Nice big bed. Yeah, this is so far. I don't mind this one at all. He's a single man. I could probably make it in a storage area, whatever. But it's nice. I like the room in here. It's nice. Very nice. All right, let's go down the stairs here. I'm killing myself. Oh, goodness. But Liz Amazing has a really good thing about what to look for somewhere else. I mentioned a lot because I think she does good work. $34,000, 35. The wingman, he's a big baby. He doesn't like because Liz complaining. No, she's not. Oh, here's another one. Storage area, perfect for me right here. All gone. Another one, a carport approved. Nice. Not bad at all. All my stuff in there. Everything is contained. I don't have electrical bike, but when I have one, 34 grand, not bad. I like it. Get a look at it before I pop the door. Hit my F-250. Crew cab, 6-foot box. I'm off and running, man. I'm seeing the country.
This is former Minnesota Vikings player Ben Lieber welcoming you to the 2026 NorthWest Sports Show presented by
there it is.
Visit the Ducks Unlimited area located off Lobby D. Learn how Ducks Unlimited works to
some more right here.
and protect waterfowl in Minnesota.
$47,000 for this one. You see. Rockwood. I've seen some of these before. Mini Life. These are pretty cool. I like the color. Like it, nice. Kind of open. Very nice. Showers in there. Very nice. Very nice. So not bad. Kind of a nice color. Nothing overly special. But the last one I was in, I really like that one. I'm gonna probably buy if I was gonna buy something, but
This rolls down, so that's easier.
so $32,000. This bad boy. Oh, these are kind. I don't mind these, but it's just I get all this stuff. But it's probably I want to come back in. I get it. I understand that. This is kind of good for a family one, I guess. You can sleep a lot of people. You and your buddy go camping. So this one kind of comes out, which is one more problem you're gonna have. But I get it. It gives a lot extra room. I understand that. I don't want any slide outs. I walk in, I get what I get. So when I look at it, here's a strange one here. Kind of call this an A-frame, I think, right?
What's that?
Kind of call this an A-frame.
Yeah, that's what I was.
That's what it looks like, an A-frame. Yeah, I mean, you could go camping.
It's basic.
Yeah, it's all you need. It's all you need. I know. I can see that you can sleep there, and we're just fine. We play sit. Yeah. You don't need all that behavior. Yeah, it's not bad. 20 grand, we split. Let's say we're bros. We're gonna go camping. Gets the job done.
In style.
Yeah. As the old Jimmy Johnson always says, don't be pretty, just be good.
Yeah.
You know, if I always say you're going to get one of these, make sure you get looked at before it goes anywhere else. Listen to Liz Amazing on YouTube. She's really good at giving you information, what to look at. She's really good. People buy things, don't get looked at, and they're spend 170 grand on something they shouldn't have spent it on, and they get screwed. So she's really good. Oh yeah, get it inspected before you go anywhere. This is a nice one, 18 grand. Probably sleep over there. Oh, simple. I mean, I like them both, but the ones I looked at before. So, low price, 18 grand. If you want, there you go. To over here. I think I was in that one. Doesn't really matter. Yeah, I was in that one already. Oh God, you got more stairs here. More stairs. That's insane. The kitchen's upstairs. Oh, good Lord. I'm just telling you. Ankle breaker. Down here is your workbench. So, little mirror right there. Not bad. I just don't like stairs. I mean, you get older. I don't know. Not too much, as they say, right? It's a nice kitchen. Not bad at all. This one is Rockwood. It's 35. I like the color. It's not overly. Yeah. Sit there in the rocker and watch TV. Got some storage. I just think it all depends on what you want. You know, nice shower in there. So many good options. Yep. NorthWest. There it is. What a show. Have the time of your life, man. Damn right. But anyways. Yeah. Over here. One thing that's nice, there's no music. Here, these are you put on back of your trucks. I don't know. I don't know about these. These are a little much. Looks like a lot of work to get in these things. Jesus. With the shower in there and bathtub. New room. Oh my goodness. I guess if you want to put it on there. What does it say? $76,000 for this thing? 76,000? I don't think so. I don't think so. Waste of good suffering. Sorry. No way. Not a chance. $76,000, that bad boy. 76,000. It's a lot of money. It better. Are you kidding me? That's ridiculous. This one's 74. I know. You can get a truck for that. Nuts. Are you kidding me? I have no way. No. I mean, it's nice, but no. Nope. You got that? Ouch. Hit my head here. That hurts. Let's get down here. I'm not doing any of that. Not a chance. This one's 58 grand. So, no. No way. These are like small ones, 30,000. You can barely get in there. Look at that. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. No way. It's called prostitution. $40,000 for this pig? Come on. Really? For what? Put it on your truck? Oh my God. No. No. No, no, no. I don't think so. Anyways, we'll, not gonna do it. No way. Not a chance. So anyways, guys, move on to the next one, all right?